Good morning, children. We can continue our story, The Yellow Butterfly. We could see that Sonu was behind the butterfly, and that butterfly was around the garden, in Sonu's garden, and Sonu also followed that butterfly, and he could not catch the butterfly. At last, this butterfly was caught in spider's web, and what happened we can see. Page number 48. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. He took the butterfly from the spider's web, and now the butterfly is in the safe hands of Sonu, and he looked the pretty butterfly. What is mean by pretty means very beautiful butterfly. It had brown spot on its yellow wings. You can see in this picture. Sonu loved the little butterfly. He loved the, you also love the butterfly, children? Yes, everyone like butterflies. Then, but it looked sad in Sonu's hands. But that butterfly was very worried, and it was very sad. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Sonu, at that time, Sonu could understand this butterfly is not at all happy. I want to send it happy. Then only it will be happy. Go, said Sonu, fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. See, at last Sonu said, you can fly away, you can fly now. Then he left the butterfly to go. Then it sat on the red rose. Again it started to sat on the red rose. It flew on the peach tree and then sailed on the lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to, merrily means happily, from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. Then he understood, now this butterfly is very happy, and the butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. All animals needs freedom, and here butterfly also very happy when he escaped from the hands of spider and from the Sonu also. Then you can enjoy this story. I think you could enjoy this story and read it more times, and you can do the textbook exercise. I will give you one by one. Okay, children?
Children, now we can discuss the new word meanings. Okay, first word is escape. Its meaning is to run away. The bird escaped from the cage. Next word, pond. Meaning is a small body of water. Lotus is found in ponds. Peach, a yellow juicy fruit. Peach is my favorite fruit. Climb, to go up. Sentence, Sonu climbed up the tree. Next word is catch, to hold or capture. Sentence, the little boy caught a fish. Next word, middle, the point or position at an equal distance from the sides. Sentence, the boy hit the target in the middle. The next word, hungry. meaning need for food. Sentence, I was hungry in the evening. Next word, float. To place something or make it move on the surface of a liquid. Sentence, lotus floats on water. Next one, shout. To utter a loud cry. Do not shout at me without any reason. Chase. To catch up with. Sentence, the dog chases us while we jog in the evening. Next word, flutter. Meaning, to flap the wings quickly and lightly. Sentence, the butterfly flutters near my window. Next word, twist. Form into a bend. We use twisted cables for electricity in our house.